24 hours later, the seaweed biscuits were gone, replaced by thick, crumbly slabs in an alarming shade of green. "My elite blend," Colin declared, presenting them as though unveiling a sculpture. "Acacia, spirulina, maca root, and a touch of chlorella." "What's chlorella?" Robin asked suspiciously. "It's a blue-green algae." Robin bit into one. "Tastes like licking a lawnmower." The scriptwriter took Colin's side. "They're not bad," she said, "once you think of them as survival food for a voyage." Edna stared at the tin as if it had personally betrayed her. "This is an outrage."